Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable dual connection for your headphones Nothing Cares. So right here I have the first device with an application and the second one just normal regular device. So open the application on your first device, then go to settings at the right top, and right here we have dual connection, so click here. You should enable it. And right here we have devices, so this iPhone. Then on your second device click pair new device, and after that press and hold connection button for at least 3 seconds. Now it turn on, it enter into pairing mode, so just click on your headphones at the device list, pair. And as you can see right now I have 2 devices. That's it, thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!